So today, I want you to make this. Look at that right there. This is Bang Bang Chicken. You heard me right. We done Bang Bang Chicken. My wife wanted it. She asked me to make it, but she wanted me to make it better in the restaurant. And boys and girls, this recipe done it. It's simple, it's easy. When you try this one, you will fall in love with it. All that being stated, let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. Come on. To make the Bang Bang Chicken, what we got right here to start with is some chicken breast. It's about 2.5 pounds, 2.7 pounds to be exact. We got this from Lowe's at Springer Mountain Farms. Again, I like Springer Mountain Farms. It's top quality chicken. I know it's consistency I'm looking for. Now let's open it up. Let's get ready. So we're doing skewers today. So what I want to do is kind of find any excess fat like this. Go ahead and get rid of it because it's not going to cook right when we skew it. What's the difference between a skewer and a kebab? Leave the comments down below. Really be curious about that one. Also, if y'all made Bang Bang Chicken, what you think about the recipe? What do y'all like about it? What makes yours special? Like I said, I'm just going through here right now, getting some of this excess fat off. Little pieces I know it's not going to cook good. Get it gone, just like that. Remove them, just like that. I got a knife here I need to put on a sharpener. See right here, that ain't going to cook right. It's going to be stringy, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. We ain't wasting that much. All right, so I got it trimmed up, so now I'm gonna make skewers. What I'm gonna do is take these chicken, and I'll kind of have even sized pieces. So I'm gonna come in here, you notice right here, about a good 3/4 inch in, and just kind of cut it back. Do another 3/4 inch, cut it back, another 3/4 inch. Kind of make this one even sizes there. Then I'm gonna take it, pull across here, line up the ends, and do again. Good 3/4 inch, give or take. The purpose is I get the most consistent cook possible. So my target temp with chicken breast is 165. So I got this bowl here, I'll drop this one in. So this is originally called a bonbon chicken. It come out of China. Kind of, they used to have it just kind of street food style. And so Americanized, took the American Chinese restaurants and kind of Americanize it, westernize it as they call it, and put some different spin on it. So that's how what we have today is a little bit different version than what it originally had. But originally come out of China as bonbon chicken. You know that now, don't you? Get a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Drop a little bit in, kind of toss it. Acts a little bit like a binder. I don't do a whole lot of binders, but with chicken so dry, it kind of needs a binder. Most of the time the meat we cook is pretty moist and don't really need a lot of binder, but this one we do. First rub I use is some Rufus Tea chicken rub. Give it kind of a citrusly, a lime flavor to it. Kind of helps with this flavor in our opinion. Toss it pretty good. Just kind of then toss it again. Or season it pretty good, then toss it again. All right. Got a little bit in it, just like that. And now I'm gonna go with a piggy bank rub. So this is a little bit of a pork rub, but it's got some really good heat to it. And with this flavor going with today, a little bit of heat in this comes out pretty good. But this is by Texas Oil Dust. It's called Piggy Bank. Got some chipotle stuff in there, so this will add a little kick to it. So keep that in mind. You'll make sure all of it gets, all of it. All of it gets some seasoning. All of it gets some love. You know how that goes. Can't leave it, none of it left behind. We got to give all of it some loving. Now we got that. We got some skewers here. Just start skewing it up. Now I've never made this recipe with vegetables on it. I wonder how that tastes. Would love to do this with shrimp and chicken, but they don't cook the same. The chicken will always be, the shrimp will always be overcooked. It's a good way to get this right here to feed a family. So now I'm gonna add some Cosmos Q right here. This is some honey chipotle killer bee. Flip them over. All right, so now we got to make the sauce to put on this Bang Bang shrimp. So now we're gonna make our Bang Bang sauce. Duke's mayonnaise, about 1.25 cups. So now we're gonna add in the sweet chili sauce. We got this from Walmart. And so this here's about 2/3 of a cup. Just like that. Go ahead and mix this up a little bit while we're here. Make sure all the little clumps of mayonnaise is all broken down pretty well. That's what I'm looking for, kind of like that. So on that, add in some sriracha. We got about 2 teaspoons. So now we do some honey. We got some hot honey, 2 tablespoons. So as you notice, this is a little bit of heat to this. So feel free to adjust this. Add some different things to it, substitute a non-hot honey to it, whatever you like. Make it your own. But this is what we're doing with it today. It's a good baseline recipe. All right, so we got this all mixed up. We were gonna put this in a squeeze bottle, but right this second, we're not gonna do it for this. We may do it for outside, but for right this second, I'm not gonna do that. But I don't wanna cross-contaminate this. So I've got my scoop that we used earlier. I'm gonna use it to brush that. I'm gonna take some here, just fill it up. That way I don't cross-contaminate. That's what we don't wanna do. So get your little brush you got, come here on top, just start sharing that love to it. Don't be bashful, just add some to it. Be generous, generous, generous with it. You know how that goes. So this recipe today is brought to you by my wife. Just someone that she recommended us make. We've had these a few times at restaurants and she said I can do one better, so we're gonna make it. And we made it better. And we wanna share it with y'all. But this is totally her suggestion. Say thank you, Michelle. She's probably gonna kill me now. All right, flip them over. Do the same thing on this side. All right, we got the bottoms. Last time we got kind of the sides and everything, so now I'm just doing this side. Like I said, make sure we save some of this for later on when we brush on the grill. And dipping afterwards. Very good. Now, let's transfer them to this little pan. Go put them on the smoker. Let's cool on it. Come on, meet you at the smoker. 350 degrees, Recteq set up. I'll set these in. Just like that. You know what? Let's do this a little bit different today. Set them up at a little bit of an angle. Make life a little bit easier with the chicken on it. So that's a good little trick when you put it on there. Set it at an angle. Also get better grill marks. All right, been right about 5 minutes. Looking good, ain't they? I'm gonna take them and flip them over. Now when I flip them, I'm gonna do this direction. Let's have them this direction. There's really no reason I'm doing it other than just me being me. I got gloves on here with hot gloves underneath it. So that's why I'm able to do this. Look cool, don't they? A little bit towards the middle again. Let them keep cooking. About another 5 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna put the sauce on it right now. Look at that. We've already got the sauce on it one time before. I can put a little bit more on top of it and brush it in, just like that. Just like that. Look at that. Don't that look good? Man, I tell you what. This thing like, whoa, got my little mess there. That's all right. Makes life good. Now we're gonna take it and just kind of brush it on, just like that. Keep cooking them. Right now they're about 135 degrees. When they get 165, we're gonna pull them off and go taste these bad boys. Man, oh man, don't they look good? All right, been about 20 minutes now. Don't they look good? Man, oh man, them things look delicious, don't they? Got them on the grill, we're tasting them. Right now it's been about 20 minutes. We flipping them over. Boy, I tell you what, they look really, really good. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, we put some sauce on last time. Do the same thing this time. Oh, there you go. Brush it in a little bit, just like that. Just like that. Keep going. Oh, we got a little bit of a chili pepper or something right there, don't we? There you go, see it? Come right out. They do smell good, don't they? A little chili pepper. There you go. $143, $150. We're gonna let it keep cooking. Start getting 165. Start pulling it off. Been right at 25 minutes. Let's see what we got. 160. Excuse me, 158 there. 160 here. 158 again. 160. So we getting there. Just a few more minutes. We ought to be ready to rock and roll. Man, they look good. God, I wish I could smell these things. Time, put a little bit of this more sauce on it. Right out of it. We've done it a couple times already. There you go. Now we're gonna brush it in. I tell you what, boys and girls, don't that thing look good? Been there about 25 minutes. Another just a few more minutes and pull it off. Dang, that thing looks good. Been right at 30 minutes, 31 minutes right now. So look at that. Don't it look good? The 165 there, 164 here. 65, kind of moving around. Oh, we got hot there. All let's pull it off, we're close enough. Look at that. Don't that look good? All right, let's go inside and eat them. Come on. So we brought this inside, we've let it rest a few minutes. I'll tell you right now, boys and girls, I wish y'all could smell this. This thing smells absolutely amazing. But now it's time to taste it. Caveman style, right off the skewer. Ready? Cheers. You gotta try this recipe. Tell you what, it's delicious. But now I'm gonna take one of my pieces, pull it off this little skewer right here. We're gonna dip it. Cheers. Great God, have mercy. So this is absolutely delicious, but it does got some back-end heat to it. So if you got some children who don't like the back-end heat, you might want to back that down. But we wanted the heat, and that's what we got. It's delicious, it's simple, it's easy. I promise you, you try this recipe, you will fall in love with it. All that being said, it's time to go say the blessing, it's time to eat supper. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. It ain't that hot, they can have this. Dolly, Lucy, come on. Lucy hungry, ain't she? Dolly. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll like it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food about received. In Jesus' name, pray. Amen. Hey, do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what flavors you do for Bang Bang Chicken. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you do this recipe, take pictures and tag Recteq Smokers on social media. And share it with your friends and family. But now it's time to eat supper. Come on.